say something into the mic?
I am secretly in love with J Cactus.
That's the intro right there. Yo, what's good everyone? I'm here in LA at Dylan's place. I'm here with my guy Infinite, but man, there's everyone here. We've got lifestyle, we've got beautiful beats. We're just gonna have a casual cook up. I'm gonna start something, pass it to my guy Infinite. Not really sure where it's gonna go, but I wanna make something dark, and I'm thinking I might even make some type of hood trap or jerk melody, and then maybe we could add some West Coast drums to it. Do a bit of both, who knows, man. Let's just get into it. I might just start with one of my typical dark melodies and then pass it to you.
Let's do it, bro. Is there anything you're specifically looking for?
Just some interesting texture, like just something that sounds unique, you know?
Yeah, something non-normal. Do you feel pressure when someone's like standing over your shoulder, just watching what you do?
It's different to cooking
move?
up at home, because like when you're at home, it's like, especially when you're filming, you know you can cut out anything you need to cut out.
Oh yeah, for sure.
But yeah, there's a different type of pressure. But sometimes I like it, because when you're at home, you've got the time to overthink and like make too many changes. But when you're in a room with other people, it's like, you don't want to do that too much, because...
Yeah, you don't want to be the guy who spends 20 minutes on a snare pattern.
So I'm trying not to like do too much. Sometimes throwing these arps on as well, just even like one note.
Ooh.
Even that just has its own melody.
Oh, I like that. What sounds are you using, by the way?
So these are all from New Reveal, the kit I was telling you. This is available now, by the way. It's a Serum 2-pack from New Reveal. But yeah, perfect for jerk, hood trap, anything like that. Yo, real quick, I just launched a brand new website so you can find all my kits, courses, and bundles easier. And right now you can get 50% off everything using the code Cactus, including my New Reveal Serum 2-pack and my latest Pyroverse trap bundle, which I've been using throughout the video. So just head to jcactus.com or click the link in the description before the sale ends on the 17th of February. Now let's get back into it.
That art is hard, bro.
Sounds crazy, right?
That's the beauty of like using FL or just any DAW in general.
Well, the keyboard recording.
Oh, that, and also you can just record like a very small part and then just like sauce it up how you want it to.
Exactly.
If it was back in the day, man, we'd have to play that shit perfectly, bro.
Even from that, what I always like to do is just render it out, try to reverse it, flip
just manipulate it.
Yeah. Prefer it like this or the original?
I like that.
Like this, yeah. You know what, I should probably render one without the arps, maybe just the pads, you know, for when it comes into a verse or something like that.
Yeah, give it a little opportunity for variation. Have you told your audience anything about it?
Nothing yet.
Do you want to drop like a hint?
There might be a plugin coming. There could be. That's what people have been saying.
The streets said.
Yeah, so something like that could be good. So I've done quite a bit to the melody, so I'm gonna pass it to you. Whatever you want to do, you could add to the melody, start on some drums, whatever you're thinking.
I'm gonna see what's up, man. I'm gonna see what's up, bro. What key are we in again?
I started in C, and then I pitched it up 3, so we should be on D sharp minor.
D sharp, okay.
Yeah.
My favorite key is D minor, so we're gonna go D real quick.
That would be your favorite.
Pause, alright, cool. I'm happy that I'm getting bullied right now.
The bounce is sounding different already.
Yeah, for sure. It's like completely different than what I was originally thinking. This is gonna be the last thing I add because I don't want to overproduce and do everything for everybody else. Hey, everybody else might not get to this beat, bro. I might just be selfish. Nah, I'm gonna chill out. I feel like that's enough.
All right,
I feel like that's enough. Thank you, bro.
Sending in a new producer each time.
Pow, pow, pow. Oh, yo. We're watching a dude climb a building.
Oh shit! I think I saw that randomly this morning. I just put on news just for some background noise.
Can I add something to the hi-hats real quick?
He was hearing it in the background.
I heard. I totally forgot to do some.
Oh, right.
I also forgot
We deleted the hi-hats. No, I'm just kidding.
They weren't it, bro.
You guys cooked this up super fast, too.
Maybe we had the door closed.
Nah, I forgot what I was going to do. No. Let me just delete
Just delete those hats real quick.
Yeah.
Sweet.
The last person I wanted. What's good, man?
What's up? A little bit of music theory, bro. We'll go backwards off to the D. Pause. But it will actually
Always
resolve
resolve it
nicely.
to the D.
Watch when it goes back, bro. If you know, you know, dog. Little R&B, I snuck it in there. Like we're about to go home and
Let's make a new beat.
Do you ever just like record something with your phone real quick to remember? Like if you do that, be like,
Nah,
oh,
I don't, you know. I always think that my memory is better than it is. I'm like, oh, I'm going to use that later. And then I get home and I'm like, what was that preset? Like, what was that plugin?
I do, bro. Immediately when something happens, go to reminders. I put it so I could forget about it. Cause I'm the same way. I used to think I could like remember things.
Yeah.
No, bro.
All right, that was sick. Who's next? Who we sending in?
Oh no, I'm not sure.
Yo, what up?
Welcome.
Y'all are cooking in here, bro.
Yeah, it's sounding crazy so far. Oh, I think it's... You played in church and everything, right?
Yeah, I
So-
play at church.
Yeah.
I started when I was like a kid. Actually, you know what sucks? Where I had a DX7, like the vintage one.
Yeah,
I got it for free from someone at church, and that's how I learned. And then stupidly in high school, I was just like not using it much, so I sold it for like $200.
Oh shit.
I was so pissed, bro.
How much is it worth now?
I looked up. It's kind of all over the place depending on like the the condition, but like 1,000 roughly US. I know. I was like, bro, I wish I could undo that. But yeah, I learned like as a kid, just kind of like self-taught, and then got introduced to like church stuff, and then went back and kind of relearned like what I was doing.
All right, so you don't use FL.
I don't use FL.
And you don't really make trap either.
I don't really trap. Well, I feel like what I could do is I like using like vocal samples and stuff. Like I could try to add like some like vocal stuff.
Yeah, that would be hard actually. Funny because I can't hear anything, so.
What'd you say?
It's like the whole cook-up. I could hear everyone, but I can't hear anything at the time, so it'd be cool to hear what.
Okay, yeah, that's not a bad thing, I guess. Yeah. Let's do something simple, I guess. Keep it easy. I actually like this. This is good.
Yeah.
This is cool.
The little bits I can hear leaking through the headphones sound sick anyway.
Okay, good. All right, there we go.
We got it.
You got it.
Let's go.
I think so.
I don't even know what it sounds like, but when I edit in this,
That was
Be
fun.
interesting.
What is it, like
Silent
out of
cut.
key and it just
Yeah,
comes
yeah.
this shit? I should be able to airdrop now.
Oh, you flipped the shit out of that, didn't you?
Yeah.
That's crazy. I had some like little something before the drop,
Like
maybe.
pre-commit.
Yeah.
Oh, I just said pre-cum.
And I'm like,
bad, bud. Yeah.
I was like, I didn't really clock what you said at first.
God. That's it.
Why were y'all silent for like 30 minutes?
Yeah,
I was thinking
Hey.
you guys are probably going to be wondering what's going on, but
I
you
said
needed
fuck
to use,
FL. I was like, I'm using Logic.
he wanted to use Logic with his headphones, so yeah.
they're just like sitting crisscross.
Yeah. Just looking into each other's eyes. Just having a heart to heart.
Like, finally, they're all gone. thought they'd never leave. He's done like a rough arrangement. So he's just added the vocals. It's a nice touch.
Yeah, that's not
You did the vocals?
little. I didn't sing it, no.
Oh,
But
okay.
I chopped it and like
Still fire.
reversed some shit.
Came out crazy. That was he did the violin, and you've got some like the lead and the pad.
Who did the violin?
The live
Fire.
That was a solid beat, man.